Alright guys, welcome back. This is our second video. Let's continue with our lesson on length. Alright? Measuring lengths. Alright, it's being able to measure how long the table is, or how long the pen is, or how long the ruler is, or how long the board is. Alright, now normally we can use things like millimeters, centimeters, ourselves meters, even kilometers, right? But you guys don't have to worry about that. You have to worry about being able to measure in units. All right, unit can be any distance. Obviously, in the test will give you the distance or the length of the unit. All right. In this case, look there. That's 1 unit. Okay, use non-standard units. That's what it means, non-standard units. Standard units are things like your millimeters, centimeters, meters, kilometers, all right? Non-standard units, that's a non-standard unit. So one of these, one block, represents 1 unit. So look at the cone. All right, this is a cone. There's the units. I hope you guys can see this. Alright, there's the units. So let's look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Okay, so the cone is about 5 units long. Alright, let me lift the board. Hang on. Alright, we can use non-standard units to measure the lengths of the cone and the pencil case. Alright, so down here we have a pencil case. Same units, alright, but now there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 units. In other words, the pencil case is about 4 units long. And you can measure anything like that, guys. Once I've given you a non-standard measurement or a non-standard unit for measurement, you can measure anything. You can measure how many units this board is, right? You can measure how many units your table is. You can measure anything as long as it's small, right? Because you can't really use these units to measure the distance between Lobuli and Bangkok. Can't do that, right? Then you have to use standard units like kilometers, right? Or even meters. Okay, but the more standard one for that type of distance, kilometers. But when it's something small, you can use the units. All right, hang on. We're going to change the board. You guys can see this. So we have a tree. Now we have different types of units, right? And now remember, we're measuring the vertical height of this tree. Okay. Use a non-standard unit. This is a non-standard unit to measure the height of the tree. Each little square, each little block represents 1 unit. All right. And then you just have to count all the little blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Alright, so the tree is about 21 units tall. Alright, let's go see what's on the next page. Alright, so now we're using non-standard units to measure the distance between the boy and let's say that's his mom. Okay, so the distance between the boy and his mom, there's the units, non-standard units. Alright, each one of those little rectangles represents 1 unit. So then we count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, the boy, oh, it's a teacher, it's not his mom. Okay. So the boy is about 6 units away from his teacher. Okay, I'm going to lift the board again. Alright, we have a monkey and we have a coconut tree. Again, one little rectangle represents 1 unit. Okay, so the monkey is about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units away from the coconut tree. Okay, I'm going to turn the page. Alright guys, identify the lengths of the objects using non-standard units. Okay, to show you, each rectangle stands for 1 unit. We've done the first one, alright? So the toothbrush, how many units? 1, 2. 2 units. Alright, so the comb, 1, 2, 3 units. Right? The screwdriver and the hammer. Okay, I'm going to give you guys the answer now because we're going to do this next time together. Alright? So we're going to do all of the answers. I'm going to give you all the answers and we're going to review. Alright? They'll give you a bunch of questions here at the bottom and we're going to fill those questions in. Alright guys? Let's see what's on the next page. Alright, so that's everything for now. Again, get your book. Alright, take out your book. And then where did we finish? Page 126, am I right? Yeah, we finished on page 126. So now, you guys need to complete page 127, page 128, page 129, page 130, page 131, page 132, page 133, page 134, and page 135. Wow, did I give you that much? No, I didn't give you that much. Calm down. Alright guys, you have to complete page 127 to page 132. Only those, alright? So for now, in the previous lesson, I told you page 122 to page 126. Now you continue page 127 to page 132. Alright guys, see you in the next video.